how are we doing today, 7th grade? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get into Khan Academy if you haven't done so yet. So I am going to go up to the squares. I'm already logged in. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom. And now I'm going to find my math class. I'm going to pretend I'm in 7-4 today. I'm going to go to 6th period math, but go to your math class. Okay, and so now I want to go into Khan Academy. So I'm going to go into classwork, and I'm going to scroll and go all the way to the bottom. And then there's Khan Academy, and I'm going to click on that. And, oh, I don't know what I just did. Scroll back down, click on it, opens up. Okay, it tells me right here, Khan Academy is a great way to practice math. In your email, I've sent you guys a link that will allow you to log into our class so your progress can be monitored. In 2 weeks, your progress will be credited toward your final grade. Make sure you're taking your time and fully utilizing your resources to get the best possible scores. As you know, there are videos and clues that will help you with answering the questions. Okay, so here's the link is right there too, and then here's the class code. Before I click on the link, I am going to copy this code because I know that I'm going to need it. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I'm going to view assignment, so it lets me copy it. Okay, here we are. I'm going to copy the code, copy, and then I'm going to click on the link. And it takes me here. So oh, here we go, perfect. Okay, so this pop-up, join a different class, 6th period. Oh, this is my math class. Yes, I want to join that class. Sorry, my little video is in the way. Click join class. And then I'm not done. It says join a class, enter the class code or your teacher's email address. Oh yeah, that's the code that I just copied. So because I already copied it, I'm going to click with 2 fingers or right click, and I'm going to paste it in there. And there's my code. Now if you forgot to copy it, you can always go up to the tabs at the top, click back, and then you can copy it now. And come back and paste it, and then click join class. You've successfully joined the class. And then look, now it's going to show me all my assignments. So now I probably want to do 2 or 3 of these a day because now I'm a little bit behind because I haven't been doing them as they were assigned. Okay? If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me, Miss Bailey, or Mr. Jackson. Thanks.